Welcome to Chess Basics Part 4 King plus Pawn vs King. So this is another basic endgame which every player should know. The marked squares in front of us, which are two steps ahead of the pawn, are known as key squares. And whoever controls these key squares will control the game in the endgame. So here as we see, after white plays King G2, there are two moves for black. If he plays King E6, this is actually a blunder because now after King G3, and King G4, white controls one of the key squares. And now after moving the pawn, the key squares change and the key squares become these three squares. Sorry, not this one, these three squares. And after King F7, we control another key square. And now we get the opposition and the pawn promotes. So the only move for black to get a draw in the position is King G6, which is a very good move, controlling the key squares, because after King G3, King G5, and now black gets the opposition because he lands on the key square. And now white can play King F3, but black then again takes the opposition with King F5. And after King E3, King E5, the game is a draw, because if white pushes the pawn with F4 check, black just plays King F5 and he gets the opposition, because now King E6 is played, and like this further till here. And now King F8 is the only drawing move for black, because if he plays King E8, King E6, and now white gets the opposition and white will promote. And if he plays King G8, white plays King E6 or King G6, and white will get the opposition and the pawn will promote. So King F8 is the only move, because wherever white moves, black will get the opposition, and now this is a draw. After King F6, this is a stalemate.